All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got another $10 Michael's grab bag for you. I did buy a total of 4 of these. This is my third one that I'm opening. So if you guys haven't seen, make sure you guys check out my other videos where I opened the other 2 prior to this one. We did get some good scores. If you guys have not checked out those videos, you guys should see what we got in those boxes. It was some really good deals. Tape is just gonna come right off. Didn't even need the knife. Oh. All right, let's see. Oh, we got some good stuff in here. So it looks like we got this little tree thingy. It says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." Oh, and it's got a deer on the top. My mom would probably like this. And this thing is $19.99. Super cute. Oh, I'm in love with this. A little countdown calendar. You just move the little thing. This one's $14.99. And then, oh, it looks like we got a little painting one. If we can paint this. This one's super cute too. And this one is $14.99. Oh, I love the little nutcracker guy. He is so cute. He is super adorable. And he's $24.99. This is a super good deal. Oh my goodness. We got, if you guys haven't seen my other video prior to this one, we got tree skirts, and I got a tree skirt in that one too. They were super cute. And then we got more tree skirts. Look at this. This is super cute. I think this one is missing the tag, so I don't know how much this one was, but when I tell you guys, this is like heavy. These are like some really good material. They're definitely not cheap. The other one that I had in the prior box was $40, so I'm sure this one's got to be around the same price. Oh my goodness, this one is a keeper for sure. I love this one. It definitely goes with my little theme. And see, yep, $39.99. So these are, when I tell you guys, these are heavy and very well made. Like, they're super cute. And for $40 and I got 2 of these, that's $80 right there, guys. So for 10 bucks, I'm telling you, I would at least pick up one. It's well worth it. Oh, and then it looks like we got some more really cute ribbons. These are super cute. I got 2 of these. And these ribbons are $14.99. And these are wide. I don't know if they give the dimensions. Yeah, these are 3.5 inches wide. So these are super wide ribbon. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got this really cool iridescent one. Unfortunately, the thing. Oh, and these are $24.99 on this one. We got 2 of those. And then, oh, we got like a green velvet ribbon. And this one, these are 80 feet long. Holy cow. And this one's $24.99 also. And we got 2 of these. Oh no, we got a navy one. Take that back. We got a navy and silver. And this one is $24.99 also. These are super cute. So yeah, guys, so far I've opened up 3 boxes, and all these have been completely worth it. For 10 bucks, you can't go wrong for sure. So I appreciate it, guys. Make sure this is my 3rd box. I do have another box coming up that I will be opening. So make sure, if you guys haven't already, you please like, subscribe, and share, guys. Bye-bye.